Hey guys, Sak here from sakitech, and as you know, the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra is here and we have it on hand. Do not buy the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra before watching this video. So the S26 Ultra comes in some gorgeous colors like the cobalt violet, the one you're looking at. It also has the powerful new privacy display feature, which is exclusive to the S26 Ultra model, which helps protect your privacy by not letting people see what's on your display when they look at it from the side. And then we have a powerful new processor and brand new AI features. Do not buy the S26 Ultra before watching this video fully, because I'm going to show you guys how to get the lowest possible pricing so you don't have to overpay and also get the maximum amount of discounts and incentives. Now, first and foremost, there's going to be an exclusive link below for sakitech viewers with some powerful benefits. Here's what you get: up to $900 in trade-in credits. Or if you don't have a trade-in, you get $150 in Samsung credits to buy accessories. And also you get a $50 discount using the coupon code PayPal50, which is listed on the website. So click the link down below and let me walk you through on how to get the lowest price. Alright, so when you click the link down below, you're going to be at this website, and right away you can see up to $900 in instant trading credits. And if you don't want to trade in, you will get $150 Samsung credits you can use to buy accessories. And also you are able to get $50 off with the code PayPal50. But let's build a deal. So let's choose an unlock model right over here. I'm going to scroll down. I'm going to say the 256 gigabyte storage model. That is $1,300. You can also explore other options based on your storage needs. But at the bottom, you can see we have access to 6 colors. So pick any color that you like. Let's just remain with the default. And when I do scroll down, this is where you do a Samsung trade-in. So if you do have a trade-in, just say yes. If you don't, just say no to get the $150. Most people probably have a trade-in. So when you click yes on this guy, what you want to do is you want to say, yes, my device is eligible. Then you pick the brand, which is going to be Samsung, to get the highest trade-in values. And then over here, you can see if you trade in a Z Fold 6 or a 25 Ultra, you are getting $900 instant trade-in credit. You can do S24 Ultra, S25 Edge, S23 Ultra, whatever that you have an option to do so. So let's just pick the S25 Ultra as an option. And then at the bottom, you are going to click yes, I agree. Now, once you do that, you can choose to get Samsung Care Plus to protect your device, or you can say no additional coverage. And if you scroll down, you can also start building a Galaxy ecosystem. You can see the Buds 4 Pro is 10% off. The Watch Ultra is 10% off. Remember, if you did not trade in, you would get $150 off these products. But anyway, I'm going to scroll down and look at the final price. So the final price of the Galaxy S26 Ultra is only $400. So original price, $1,300. Trade-in discount, $900. And final price is $400. And next up, you want to click on pre-order now. And remember, when you go into the checkout screen, you want to put this code into the promo code area to get the $50 off. But regardless, it is here and you can use it. But that is a great price regardless. That's a very high trade-in value. Again, the links are going to be down below. If you do have any questions, comments, or concerns, also drop them down below. Now remember, we also have an unboxing video for the Galaxy Buds 4 Pro and the Galaxy S26 Ultra. I'm going to leave links to those videos down below if you want to watch them.